This is a normal TV and this one is basically the same TV but it's smart. So how do you convert a normal TV to smart? Well, for that you need some kind of streaming devices like Amazon Fire Stick, MeTV Stick or MeTV Box, Google Chromecast, etc. Now I ordered this Amazon Fire Stick 3rd generation, and spoilers alert, this is not a review video of this Amazon Fire Stick. Today basically I'm going to show you how to set up this Amazon Fire Stick properly and convert your normal boring TV to a smart TV. Anyway, this is Vignesh and let's get started. So to set up an Amazon Fire Stick, all you need is a TV that has an HDMI port and obviously internet connection. First, you need to plug your Fire Stick to the HDMI port of your TV. Now in case if your TV's HDMI port is difficult to reach position, then you can use HDMI extender that comes with Fire Stick. Just plug this Fire Stick to the HDMI extender. Now plug this HDMI extender to the HDMI port of your TV. Then connect one side of the USB cable to the Fire Stick and other side either you can connect to the TV's USB port or you can connect to the Amazon charging brick in case if you don't have a USB port in your TV. Now plug this charger and turn on your TV. Now change your TV's input or source to the port where Fire Stick is in. Now in my case I have a single HDMI port, so I'll select this HDMI option. But for your TV you might have 2 or more HDMI ports, so make sure you select the correct HDMI port where your Fire Stick is plugged in. So after selecting the correct HDMI input, you will land to this page where you'll be asked to press the home button and then press the play and pause button in your Fire Stick remote to start your Fire Stick setup. Then choose the language. Then it search for Wi-Fi connection. Just select your Wi-Fi and put your Wi-Fi password. Now it checks for update. If update is present, it downloads and installs it. Now one thing to note here is that do not turn off your TV while updating Fire Stick because it will break your Fire Stick, so just be careful for that. Now while in this process your Fire Stick will restart, and after successfully updating, it will ask to sign into your Amazon account to register your Fire Stick TV to your account. If you don't have an Amazon account, you can create a new account right from here, or else just press this. Now to register this device, you need to search for amazon.in/code in your phone, then sign into your Amazon account here in your phone and then just enter this activation code shown here. Now confirm that it's you and your Fire Stick will be registered to your account. After this, it will ask whether to save your Wi-Fi password to Amazon so that you don't have to re-enter your Wi-Fi password each time you connect to your Wi-Fi. So press yes, and now it will ask whether you want to enable parental control. Now I'll just select no parental option. Anyway, now it's asked you to choose your TV brand so that you can control your TV volume and power on and off your TV using Fire Stick remote. So just select the TV brand and make sure your TV volume is audible. Next, using your Fire Stick remote, press the volume up and down button and see if the volume is increasing or decreasing. Then it will ask, did the volume changed? If yes, you can just go to this timeline shown in the screen. But for people whose volume didn't change, follow these steps. So next, choose the correct option. Here for me, I use just my TV. Then it will repeat the attempt for 11 times, and in any one of the attempt your TV volume will change. But unfortunately in my case the volume didn't change. I was kind of frustrated and I called Amazon and asked why it's not working. Well, they said that my TV brand, which is Lloyd, is still not supported with Amazon Fire Stick, and they also said that they are working on it and they will inform me when they will add support to this TV brand, which is Lloyd. But still till now it's not working. So for me, I can't control volume and power button of the TV using Amazon remote, but every other button works, and also it's just the TV's issue. You can still control the volume of Bluetooth speaker or earphone, etc. Anyway, here I'll skip this, but for most of you, you'll be able to control your volume using your Fire Stick remote. Now you need to select all the apps that you want in the home screen. Press play and pause button to continue and then hit finish. It will then ask, do you want to enable data monitoring? If you're using phone's hotspot or if your broadband data is less, then you can enable this, otherwise just select setup later. Finally, you have to select an Amazon profile. You can also create a new profile right from here. I have already created one for my TV, so I'll just select this profile, which is called Home TV, and that's it. Your Amazon Fire Stick setup is completed, or you can say that now you're converted your normal TV to a smart TV. So that was it for the video. Now I know this was just a setup video, but still, if this video was helpful, then do like this video, and also guys, do subscribe and hit that bell icon. Anyway, this is Vignesh signing off, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.